Good evening, everyone. It is January 10th, 2017. We are doing 16-17 Upper Deck Trilogy Hockey 2-box break number 7 with 2 random teams each. So let's switch screens to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams with the dice roll here. Here are the names. Here are the teams. So let's roll the dice. 4 and a 4. The 4s are back. That's 8 times on the names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it was an 8, right? Yes. 8th and final time, good luck. There it is, 8 times. Greg at the top. Greg at the bottom. Let's get a new list going here.
Hey, though, I'm not gonna repeat what you said, Mike. Because I don't want it saved on a recording forever for the wife to hear. My gross sake, his wife is absolutely.
All right, so 4 and a 4. That's 8 times now on the teams. Here are the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. Good luck. There it is. 8 times. Calgary at the top. San Jose Sharks at the bottom.
A little Clayton Kershaw. Nice. 30 out of 49. Part of the 42 tribute collection.
And let's make this bigger.
So I'm a pro. Let's see up here. I'm a pro. All right. Next one we've got Miguel Cabrera, maybe 44 out of 49 for the Tigers.
So, Greg, you have the Calgary Flames. Neil with the Philadelphia Flyers. David H. with the Nashville Predators. Dave Kerr with the Edmonton Oilers. Vancouver Canucks for Neil. Last Spot Mojo Neil is Dallas Stars. Neil with the Winnipeg Jets. Congrats, Neil. Tampa Bay Lightning, Sabres, and Montreal Canadiens with your Last Spot Mojo. As well as the Ottawa Senators. Mark C. with the Florida Panthers. Neil with the Rangers and Red Wings. Brad V. with the Bruins. Neil with the New York Islanders, Washington Capitals, and Colorado Avalanche. Mark C. with the Carolina Hurricanes. Neil with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Greg with the St. Louis Blues. Brad V. with the Anaheim Ducks. Neil with the Devils and Coyotes. David H. with the Chicago Blackhawks. Dave Kerr with the Columbus Blue Jackets. Neil with the Minnesota Wild. Nice. Get your Wild. And my Los Angeles Kings. And Greg with the Toronto Maple Leafs and San Jose Sharks. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys, see if there's any trades. And when we come back, we'll open up 2 boxes of Trilogy Hockey, so stick around.
There you go. There you are, Jason.
Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades. So here is the list of names and teams in number 7.
Oh, there is an auto. So 5 for 5.
All right, guys, so we've done 2 boxes out of this break, out of the fresh intercase break. So box 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10 are available. Just so you guys can see them a little bit better if you can. So let's switch screens one last time to the random generator at random.org to generate which box we were doing. So if any number that's not here, so if there is a 3 and an 8, we'll just regenerate again. So good luck. 4. There is a box 4 here. So box 4 is one box we are doing right here. You can see box 4. Awesome. I'll leave that one right here. Let's generate one more box. 10. And we are doing box 10, which is down here. So 4 and 10 right there. So this is it, guys. Good luck. Is that right, Dubnik? Is that what he did? That's crazy. All right, guys. First box. Good luck. Let me move these boxes. Number 8 is in store now, guys. If you guys want to get that one going, at jaspyshockeyland.com. How old is your kid? The one that this all happened to? All right, guys. First pack. He's 11. Man, he's that's nuts. All right. So first card, Carey Price, Dylan Larkin, Evgeny Malkin, and nice Roman Yossi signature pucks for the Nashville Predators. Nashville Predators. Who is that? David H. Big Boys 007, Harrow Inc. There you go. Roman Yossi signed signature puck. And Dubnik, have you put? Did they start all at a very young age playing hockey? Man, I wish I could have played hockey as a kid. Growing up in Southern California, kind of rough playing hockey. Although whenever I do have a son or a daughter, if they want to play hockey, definitely going to put them in there. Henrik Lundqvist, Vladimir Tarasenko, Tyler Toffoli. Nice, Dylan Larkin. That is 672 of 849. Detroit Red Wings. That is Neil Dubnik. Although I do know people always say that hockey is probably the most expensive sport to play. Well, if that's going to be the case, then that is the only sport my son or daughter will play. If that is the case. Like, sorry, no basketball, football, baseball for you if you're going to play hockey. No, I'm just kidding.
Button and autograph.
Oh, it all started 2 years ago? Okay, nice.
That is great.
Morgan Riley, Max Pacioretty, Alexander Barkov, and Nick Leddy. That is 174 of 849. New York Islanders.
Nice hit.
New York Islanders.
Got the button
That is Neil again.
and the train whistle. All aboard. The big and
Well, that's true too. Yeah, if you play hockey, there is no other time for that. That is true, actually. Yeah, I know it's very expensive. My brother and I used to play at this roller. It's a roller hockey league in West Covina. Maybe they can play some roller a little bit. If they didn't want to play ice to start off.
Armory.
Just to be around hockey. Nick Leddy, Brent Burns, Matt Duchene, and nice for the Buffalo Sabres. Hudson Fasching, level 2 auto, 241 of 275. Buffalo Sabres.
All right.
That is Neil Dubnik. There you go, Dube.
Are you at staff for the Royals? Associated username is the real name.
Nice. All right, guys. Couple more packs to go.
No randomizers as of yet.
Ovechkin, Ryan Ket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys already seen what happened, man. Damn. Ryan Kessler, John Tavares, and there he is, Austin Matthews. Level 1, 882 of 999. I know you guys saw it. 999. So it's 882 out of 999. Austin Matthews, Toronto Maple Leafs, and that is Greg.
Oh, you are Greg then. Nice. Hi.
Slipped out of my hands. I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa.
I remember that one. That was
Greg, there you go, man.
And now the George Fred button and ink. Congrats. 18 out of 99, Starling Marte, tribute collection. Pirates.
Phil Kessel.
That'll be for Ed.
There it is. Charlie Lindgren. Level 1. That is 170 of 399.
Jake Odorizzi.
Montreal Canadiens. And that is with his last spot mojo. That's Dubnik. Neil. That was one of his last spot mojo teams.
We got Bat Relic, Al Simon.
Might be a little dinged right there too, Neil.
This is the Philadelphia Athletics.
There you go, man.
So that will go
And add another PC to him. Again, Lindgren. 568 out of 999. Another one for Dubnik with his last spot mojo team.
Nomar Mazara, nice. What's the purple number 2? Rookie material 2.
Alright. Second to last pack. First box. And we'll move on to box 2.
So I don't know. Could be 49 and 20.
Duncan Keith. Jerome McGinley. Noah Hannafin. And Braden Point, level 1 rookie premieres for the Tampa Bay Lightning. That is 80 of 999. Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa Bay, that is Neil. And the last pack of the first box. Good luck, everyone. Connor McDavid's on top right there. But before him is the GOAT. Andrei Kopitar. Then Connor McDavid. And Patrick Kane. That's a low number there. 26 of 44. Patrick Kane patch. Chicago Blackhawks. That is David H. Alright, guys. Next box. Pat Sox, this is a random team break. So, the spots are all the same price. What is it? $15.99? $16.99? To get 2 random teams out of a 2-box break. Go to our website, JaspysHobbyLand.com, if you want to have a chance to get the Leafs. Here is the link. Right there. Alright, guys. Next one. First pack of the second box, Nikita Kucherov, Blake Wheeler, Joe Pavelski, and Matthew Barzal. Level 1 rookie premieres for the New York Islanders. That is 360 of 999. New York Islanders, that is Neil. I think it was $15.99, yeah. Let me, yeah, $15.99. $15.99. Excuse me, folks, really quick. I need to go get some penny sleeves. Give me 2 seconds.
Legends cuts Joe Cronin. Wow.
Thought I was going to have enough, guys. Sorry about that. Had to get some penny sleeves. That way your cards are well protected.
Well, it says Boston right here. Kind of weird.
Southern biscuits and gravy laced chips are the ish. I have never tried those. That just sounds weird, to eat chips that taste like biscuits and gravy. I don't know, it's a little too weird for me probably. I do like chips, but are they really that good, Kyle? Vladimir Tarasenko, Johnny Gaudreau, Jerome McGinley. Nice, Matthew Tkachuk for the Calgary Flames. 402 of 999, level 1 rookie premiere. That's what he was like, you know what? You know, I said that too. But holy, I ate another whole bag. Alright, Calgary Flames, that is Greg. There you go, Greg.
So in the Legends set,
Well, you know what? I might have to try those. You guys all agree is Southern biscuits and gravy Lay's chips. Are they good? Morgan Riley. Noah Hannafin. Nice. Dylan Strome, level 1 jersey patch. That is 40 of 399 for the Arizona Coyotes.
not the league's best. But if we go to the Legends set,
Arizona Coyotes, that's Neil. That's Dubnik. There you go, Dub.
Red Sox.
I know, right? That's what I'm saying. It sounds a little... sounds like horrible, right? Like, how could they make a chip actually taste like biscuits and gravy? But then again, I've tasted certain chips like that. Not that one, but was like, wow, this actually does taste like it. But I don't know. Sorry about the food talk. Now Greg's like, God, I'm hungry now. All right, next pack, guys. Patrick Kane, Henrik Zetterberg, Braden Holtby, and Johnny Gaudreau. That is 803 of 849 for the Calgary Flames, and that is also Greg.
All right, folks. And so that's train whistle for the Red Sox.
In the South, that's huge. Okay.
Legends cuts.
There you go, Greg.
That means Jeremy 33. With the red
Next pack.
all aboard the Big Hit Express. Woo! Get the error card there. All right, and that's it, folks. That, no randomizers. No.
Max patch, you ready?
That was speaker team number
Alex Ovechkin. Tyler Toffoli.
Nice stuff as always.
Wow, another one of these. Wow, Mitch Marner. Did we not get one of these in the last break? The same exact one? Mitch Marner, auto 44 of 49. Toronto Maple Leafs? Wow. Oh, it wasn't Marner? Oh, it was somebody else, right? Okay. So I seen the Go Leafs inscribed.
What number, Kevin, was
That is 44 of 49, Mitch Marner. Toronto Maple Leafs, and that's Greg.
LCVMJC2.
Wow. So these Leafs are coming out. I know, Dubnik, but I hate when Wandorg does that sometimes. Claude Giroux, Duncan Keith, whoa, Steven Stamkos, and Evgeny Malkin, 524 of 849. Pittsburgh, that's Neil. I don't think the case would be dead, would it? Last two packs, good luck. Henrik Lundqvist, Daniel Sedin, Jaden Schwartz, and Steven Stamkos. That is 40 of 849. Tampa Bay Lightning, that's Neil. Yeah, that's what people were talking about. Why 849? I don't know. Does that have to do anything with Upper Deck, maybe? Andrei Kopitar, Alexander Barkov, and Oliver Bjorkstrand, jersey. That is 195 of 399. Columbus Blue Jackets, and that is actually Dave Kerr. Dave Kerr with the Columbus Blue Jackets. 195 of 399.
Right, so this would be the
Dave Kerr with that.
LCVM.
And that is the break, guys. That was a 2-box break of Trilogy Hockey. If you want to get number 8 going, go to jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.